Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will tell you how the loyalty card feature works on the mobile device. Let's see how this works on mobile devices. Open the app on your device and tap the loyalty card feature. You'll be redirected to the loyalty card screen. Here you will see the list of loyalty cards added from the backend. From here you can check the loyalty card details including name, the number of stamps, and the validity date. Now tap any of the loyalty cards and you will be redirected to the stamp screen. This is your card description. Tap View More to view the full description. Next, tap Terms and Conditions to view the associated terms of service of the loyalty card. Now let's suppose you have made the specified number of purchases and you are now eligible for redeeming the stamp. Now to redeem the stamps, click on the stamp icon and you will see the validation screen. Please note that the validation method set from the backend will be displayed here. Here you will see the single code validation method. In this case, to redeem the stamp, you either need to scan the QR code provided at the store or hand over the device to that cashier to enter the code. Once the stamp is validated, you will see a confirmation text that your stamp has been successfully redeemed. Also, you will see a cross against the redeemed stamp icon. Similarly, you can redeem all the other stamps, and once you have reached the store's loyalty goal, you get a final freebie, which is the reward offer on the final purchase. You can claim your final freebie in the same way as you redeem the other stamps. This is how users can earn exciting rewards and businesses can build relationships and improve customers' lifetime value. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.